Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine how to get a bank draft. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to do it, what you need to do is first open the Tangerine app. So simply head over and open it, and then be sure to be logged into Tangerine Bank. Now next step is to select your account. Simply tap the account you want to draft from, usually checking or savings account. The next step is to go to more options. Simply tap on more actions options from the screen, and then once there you'll find an option that says replace the bank draft. Simply select that. And once you do that, what you need to do is enter draft details. Simply enter the amount and pay name. You will need dollar amount who the draft is payable to and delivery address. Next step is to confirm and submit. Simply review the details and submit the request, and funds are withdrawn immediately. Next step is to receive your bank draft. Bank draft is delivered by mail or courier, which usually arrives in 2 to 5 business days. Signature may be required as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Give a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.